The current owner of this rare and stunning 1995 Toyota MR2 has worked on and enjoyed it in Central California for over 12 years and is now offering it for sale. For the 1995 model, Toyota imported about 300 MR2s, most of which had a sunroof for T-top. Only about 18 of the 300 were 5-speed hardtop models, so often sought out by driving enthusiasts for their lightweight and agile handling. And this is one of them. You can tell by its original factory paint and gleaming original taillights the car has been garaged and well maintained for over 25 years. The original 2.2-liter naturally aspirated engine has been replaced with the iconic 2-liter turbo 3S GTE Gen 3 with less than 19,000 miles since the last rebuild, a replica of Japan's iconic MR2 GTS badge and all. While there are many numerous tasteful modifications visible, what makes this car special are the modifications you can't see. But let's start with what you can see. Aggressive stance, courtesy of TRD sport springs, and wide 17-inch 5-Ziggin FN01 RC wheels, wrapped in 40-aspect Falcon Zenny RT615 Plus tires, house a Wilwood big brake kit developed by Wolfcats Engineering with lightweight aluminum hats. Long wheel studs with 7-sided open-ended lug nuts complete the package. Moving to front illumination, you'll see clear side marker lights, a Revision 6 headlight kit, and automatic LED daytime running lights neatly integrated into the front grille. Conspicuously missing, rust, courtesy of 25 years in perfect California weather. Inside, you will find a well-maintained original, and now unobtainium, interior with the rare 1994-1995 seat fabric in great condition. No rips or tears, with the original driver and passenger airbags, new floor mats, fresh brake and clutch pedal pads, and even the original cigarette lighter in its place. A Blaupunkt media player with SD card, USB, and stereo mini inputs with an HKS turbo timer just above replaced the factory radio, which will be included separately. The sound system was further enhanced by installing a factory subwoofer in the stock location, powered by a low-profile toxic audio amp discreetly mounted underneath the passenger seat, along with new Kenwood 6.5-inch component speakers up front. In the gauge cluster, you'll find an Amori boost gauge in the stock location, complementing the subdued yet functional and comfortable interior, complete with cold AC for those hot summer days. So what modifications exactly make this car special and unique? A full engine rebuild with just 19,000 miles on the clock included Wiseco pistons, oil pump and water pump, along with the hose from hell and the hose from hell on earth, and engine coolant hoses. And the pièce de résistance, a new E153 transmission with a Quaiffe torsen differential that makes corner exit under acceleration unlike any other MR2. It simply puts down all the power without a fuss. Expensive, but well worth it. Speaking of handling, in addition to Koni yellow single adjustable shocks, the adjustable front ST swaybar and adjustable rear TRD swaybar are tuned for neutral handling. Rear TRD strut tower bars, both front and rear, further enhance the Hardtops chassis torsional rigidity. The owner also added a Supra fuel pump, factory ABS, and Aquamist water injection, utilizing the windshield washer reservoir as a source of distilled water. The car also has a Greddy intercooler with 8-inch small fan and a unique cold air intake with a 9-inch K&N cone air filter. The exhaust includes a 3-inch KO racing stainless steel B-pipe, which feeds either a stock turbo exhaust or a 3-inch matching stainless steel straight pipe. On the suspension side, ball joints, steering linkage, and steering rack bellows have been replaced. The car tracks straight down the highway with no vibrations and no play in the steering wheel, and carves up canyon roads with delight. The car comes with the original window sticker, owner's manual, original jack, lug nut adapter, spare tire, and copious amounts of documentation including receipts, maintenance list, and installation instructions for various components. The new owner would be responsible for emissions certification. It does have an EGR valve and catalytic converter. The chassis has just over 211,000 miles on the clock, and as such there are blemishes here and there, though, as seen on the pictures, you have to look closely to see them. The roof antenna plastic is cracked from age, and there are a few minor door dings, tiny paint chips on the hood, and the wheels have some clear coat chips and some curb rash on the front right wheel. Although the paint is original, the front bumper and the turbo engine lid were repainted about 18 months ago. Yet, this is the beauty of owning a well-maintained, high-mileage chassis. Drive it and enjoy it free of worries. The owner is now accepting offers. If interested or just have questions, email maurice.belandia@gmail.com with subject 95 MR2 Hardtop and put your name.